everyone! Here in this video, we're going to share with you letter V activities for preschoolers that are developmentally appropriate. We got activities for language, logic and math, fine motor skills, and arts and crafts. And as always, all the free printables are linked down below on the description box. First set of activities are for developing your child's fine motor skills. Fine motor skills are those that involve a refined use of the small muscles which control the hand, fingers, and thumb. With the development of these skills, a child is able to complete important tasks such as writing, feeding oneself, buttoning, and zippering. Simple cutting and pasting activity is very beneficial for young children as it develops their attention, builds focus, and of course builds their hand strength. This activity helps develop your child's pincer grasp, which is important for future handwriting skills like pencil grasp as they pick each eraser. To identify uppercase and lowercase v, we use this free printable. My daughter is still 3 years old, so I don't ask her yet to practice tracing and writing letters on the paper. To build her vocabulary, naming pictures is always on the list of activity. Vacuum, violin, vote, vacation, volcano, valentine, vegetables, vest. To develop her phonemic awareness, we got this beginning sound cover printable. Watermelon, vase. Remember, we're looking for pictures that starts with V. Yes, you are right. Before teaching a child how to read, they should be able to identify the beginning, middle, and ending sound of a word. Kyla has been practicing her sight word reading, so I got this parking lot sight word activity. This is a nice activity for both boys and girls as they are able to learn while playing with your toys. are some logic activities for young children. This vegetable shopping list activity is a hit for Kyla. We began by naming each vegetables, then proceeded to checking her shopping list.
What's next? What's next? Yeah, what's next on your list? Put it inside the basket, your shopping basket, and you check. Okay, next. What's next? So next on your list. Wala. List.
This is a printable that I made for Kyla. The objective of this activity is to be able to tell which vehicles are for land, water, and air.
School bus. Circle. Next. Among the helicopters, which one is the smallest? Kani ba? Asan ang smallest? Circle it. Asa man ang biggest? Oh, the circle.
To help master number sequencing, I got this vacation number puzzle from funmama.com. Here are the counting worksheets and activities.
How many sheep? You choose number 5. Alright.
And now let's get creative with these arts and crafts activities. And this is the last activity, which is the volcano eruption experiment. We got a separate video when we unboxed this kit. Go ahead and check it out in the description box. That's it, everyone. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel to see more of our videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.